Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. We're going to be taking a look at today at the new Echo Hub. I'm not going to be installing this today or anything like that. It's just going to be an unboxing because I do plan on wall mounting it and using power over Ethernet to power it. So I've got to get all that taken care of before we go ahead and set this up on the actual wall. So I'm doing this one-handed because I'm recording with my iPhone. So I am going to peel this off real quick and then we will come back to the video. All right, so here we go. This is what it looks like. I just popped open the box. It looks almost like a tablet. If I can get it out of the box. It looks almost like a tablet, but it's not a battery-powered tablet or anything like that. It does have to be plugged in. We've got your manuals and information right there. And then we have a, they're using USB-A to USB-C. So we've got that right there. We've got a pack of wall mounting screws. Does come with a power brick. Like I said, I will be doing a power over Ethernet. That is an option they give you, so you can get an adapter to go from Ethernet to the USB-C, and it will power it that way, and also give it an Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. And then this looks like it's just a wall plate for it to snap onto. And I believe that is all that's in the box. I'm actually going to power this with my power bank for setup, just so I don't have to open up a cable or anything like that. I can just use the A to C. But that is the Echo Hub. This is for like controlling like smart home stuff. As you can see with the picture there, it's got like your climate, your alarm, locks, all different kinds of stuff right there. So that'll be pretty cool to try out. It is also Thread and Matter compatible, as well as Zigbee. So this will serve as a Matter hub. Which so do the HomePods and the newer iPhones and stuff like that. So this will just extend that. Matter accessories are supported kind of universally between Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Home. So no matter what device you have, if you buy Matter products, they will be supported throughout your whole ecosystem, even if you have a couple different brands in there. So that's pretty nice. So like I said, I'm gonna go get this set up, and I'll show you the final setup once it's mounted on the wall and everything like that, and how it works. But this is just a little unboxing video for now. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.